Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Steam on MSI Claw. To do this, first we'll need to open our Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, whichever browser you like, and then in the search engine, in this case we're using Google, go for the Steam. Here you should see something like this. Make sure that you're downloading it from official Steam website and click on Install Steam. Then we can select Install Steam again and it should download the setup. We can click on that, open it and proceed with the instructions. Basically click on Next, choose the language, Next, then destination folder, install, and here after a few seconds it should finish installing. We can run it instantly and after a few seconds it will update. And here it is, our Steam will be able to log in and proceed with downloading some games. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.